Hello everyone, I am going to show you on another Caketastic Cake video today how to make a gum paste rose. Alright, please don't forget, like and subscribe, it makes me happy. Thank you. Anyway, I'm going to be using pink, so start out with your gum paste pink, roll it out nice and thin, and I have a teardrop shaped piece of gum paste and my 5 round petaled cutter. So all I'm doing is pressing out the edges of the petals with my fingers. You don't need the sponge and all that other nonsense they tell you at Wilton. A little bit of water, and start wrapping your petals around the gum paste teardrop shape in the center. And as long as you don't go in a perfect circle, you know, pick ones across from each other, whatever, it's gonna look good. Make sure to wrap them up nice and tight. All I'm doing here, as you can see, is I'm just pinching the tips of the petals out to make them a little rougher, make them a little more organic looking. And you just want to keep doing it. Just make sure you wrap it nice and not too tight so it's all frilly. But yeah, you can see what I'm doing here. I wanted my rose to have a little pointed tip on the petals, so that's what I'm doing with this tool here. You don't have to do this. It just gives a little bit of a different look if that's what you're going for, which in this case it was. So you do it for all the little petals, and then you're going to rinse and repeat. Cut yourself another size of the same rose, press down the edges of all the petals. When you put it onto your flower bud that you got going there, make sure the petals don't quite line up with each other, if you know what I mean. So where the two petals join together is where you'd overlap the new petal, and you just kind of keep repeating it. You frill up the petals, I put the little points on them, and it's coming along really nice. You could stop at any point. Whenever your rose is big enough or you're happy enough with it, just quit. Once again, another one, press it out, press out the edges of the petals. I cut that out with the power of my editing software, so you don't have to see it. And just start putting a little water on, start pressing it up. Eventually, I am going to end up putting it in one of the flower mold holding cup thingies, little shallow dishes. If you don't have one, it's not a big deal. You can use, honestly, like a tea cup or something like that. You can figure it out. You know, there's stuff around, you could use it. See, I am so creative. Okay, that's going to be my last one. It was starting to get a little hard to handle, so I made the petals first and then plopped the rose on top. And that was it. And it comes out really pretty. So yeah, you don't have to get all fancy and technical with it. You can be loose with it. Please like and subscribe to my wonderful Caketastic Cake channel so you can follow me along, and I will catch you all next time. Bye-bye.